YouTube Nation, it's about to get ugly in here. Not just this, but this. Yes, it's Ugly Muscle Nutrition and their Hideous Sensation pre-workout. What I'm going to do, how'd you know? Go through supplement facts, run this for 3 to 4 days, and I'll let you know if it gets ugly or not. Alright, supplement facts, let's go on this side. Alright, 1 scoop, 7.86 grams. Coming in at 30 servings in this container. Thank you very much for that 30 number. Alright, I'm just going to point out a few from each matrix here, so let's see what we got. Cognitive focus enhancers. I'm a big fan of nootropics and pre-workouts. Lion's mane, one of my favorites, 500 milligrams. You have alpha GPC at 300 milligrams as well as cordyceps extract at 300 milligrams. Let's drop down to Hideous pump matrix. You have citrulline malate at 4 grams. Wish I was L-citrulline at 4 grams. That's, 4 to 6 is my preferred for L-citrulline, but let's see if that bonded with citrulline can get some pumps. We also have beet powder at 500 milligrams. Agmatine sulfate coming in only at 100 milligrams. It's a lot lower than I'm used to, but hey, can't judge a book by its cover. Alright, and the last one we have Hideous Energy Matrix, saving the best for last. Caffeine anhydrous coming at 275 milligrams. That's a standard decent number. I don't want to be, cracked out all the time. Sometimes I do, but let's see if 275 milligrams of caffeine anhydrous paired with teacrine at 125 milligrams, so hopefully that prolonged effect right there. Then you have coconut extract at 100 milligrams. All right, it's time to get ugly. But now it's getting ugly. All right, before I get to this, couple things. 1, it's Rocket Pop. 2, it's naturally flavored, so no artificial flavors in here. And on the side, it says 1.5 scoops to experience the ultimate hideous sensation. I did 1 scoop. I'm gonna see how that is because most users will do 1. I'm gonna bump it up, probably 1.5 after on days 3 and 4. So the first 2 days I'll do 1. Then days 3 and 4 I'll do 1.5. Maybe day 4 or day 5, if I do 5, I'll do 2 scoops. So, but it got to be cost effective there. So we'll see how this is. All right, YouTube Nation, let's get ugly. Ooh. All right, it's natural. Kind of wish it was artificial flavor because Bomb Pop / Rocket Pop does taste good usually, but this one, I understand where they're going. I understand what companies do, and I think I said this once, maybe twice, heck, maybe in all my pre-workout reviews. I don't care about flavor, but the performance matters. But this could be better. It's ugly, maybe. I'm just gonna give it 2.5 scoopers out of 5. But hey, I'll be back in 4 or 5 days for the performance, which really matters. See you then. Hideous Sensation trial period is over and the results are in. Before I get to the results, just want to say I ran this 4 times. The first 2 times worth 1 scoop, the last 2 times worth 1.5 scoops. I didn't do the 2 scoops because I think it was cost effective, and when you're going to get 15 servings per container, definitely not worth it. Alright, on to the 1 scoops. Let's talk about the focus. Man, the 1 scoop was good, but the 1.5 scoop was on point. I was dialed in. I enjoyed the focus a lot in this. Nootropics are huge with me in pre-workouts. The pumps. Pumps are alright at 1 scoop. A little bit better than 1.5, but I think going in, this was more of a nootropic / energy pre-workout, and that's what I got with my experience. The pumps were decent. They were there both times, but could be a little bit better, but they were alright. The focus, man, I tell you what, if you want to be dialed in, this is a good pre-workout to have. Nice, clean energy, smooth throughout my whole workouts. All 4 times I took this, I really enjoyed this. Good job on your first product, boys. 4 scoopers out of 5. All right, YouTube Nation, now you know what time it is. If you found this review helpful, beneficial, and maybe you want to get ugly in the gym, but in a good way, hit that like button. Or down there, hit the subscribe button. Come along for 5 Minute Supp Review Ride.